Massive greetings in the name of the Most High. This is Daddy Reds for Daddy Reds Promotions, and this is Talking News. In this episode, one young man said something about the Prime Minister, and then the police, you know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, share, show that you care. Talking News is here. I'm gonna give the commentary after this, but let this video speak for itself, and then I have a little thing to say. Take it away.
You start it? Yeah. So clap, bumbo clock and Joe. Wholeness. Me am Shaquille Higgins, live on Main Street, man. Pussy wall. Come to me now. You're a real waste, man. Yo. Batty boy and Joe. Go suck your mother. How are you, man?
No, you take a curfew.
After man plant the blood clot, Marco Polo, you come boy. Hey boy, go.
Turn on first. You did a drink today? I drink his boots, yo.
In family,
Go ahead, Mr. Higgins.
I'm really sorry.
Go better than that, man. Go see you like when you go into your car, man. That's one and so.
I'm really sorry for using indecent language. I'm sorry for whatever I said in the video. All those bad things, I'm sorry.
So the police,
I'm sorry to the police force. I'm sorry to the whole.
Okay. Now, when I watch these two videos, I see a young man, you know, him using freedom of speech and voice some opinion with some profanity. Really 3 videos. And then the second one I saw, because he didn't farm on himself, they come pick him up. Okay. And the third one, I see what I can call bullying by the authorities to force an apology, because everyone knows he's not sorry for what he said because he exercises freedom of speech. And they're telling him, go harder, and apologize to the force. All right. My 2 cents on this is, look, people are free to voice their opinions, no matter who you are, whether you're prime minister, president, king of the resident. People can speak their mind. It's not a dictatorship. It's supposedly a democracy. And right now, it's a big hypocrisy. Seriously, Jono, that don't make sense. They pick up the youth, and then, who knows what happened off camera? You see? He looked scared, and he was like, yes, sir, Mr. Officer. And it's the same thing I would have been like myself, because, right there, you can see something is wrong, something is broken. Not only in America, this is going on all around the world. You see this? Jamaica, this. Because he's not supposed to get picked up. Listen, if it's a society where everything is squeaky clean and perfect, all right, then you can focus on, those quality of life crimes like that. But it's a lot of other things going on right now for you to have the resources to just say, all right, anytime somebody says something bad against me, let's go pick them up and make an example out of them. But the John Crow them that's out there doing what they're doing, they never get picked up. I wonder why. You know what? Let me add something else to this video, because the other day Foota Hype shed a light on it. And basically what the bro God said was this, that anytime they did an investigation, this is the ambassador to the United States, the Jamaican ambassador. Now, guess what? He said anytime that there's an investigation regarding crime, it always leads back to a politician. You hear that? Every time the politics boy, them behind the guns and all them things. This is documented. That's what the brother said. But let's say allegedly, all right? This is crazy. This is crazy. It's like they have all this time to pick up somebody because somebody say, oh, suck your mother, blah, blah, blah. So what? So what? But what about them bums out there that's killing the women, killing the picnic, dealing with body parts, right? And what about the ones of them that's dealing with body parts? Yeah, fire burn that. Yeah, over there, all over, remember, boogerism is a crime. It's like right now, the place, it's not making sense. Tell you the truth. And every time it's them who's behind it. So, matter of fact, let Foota Hype do his thing, and then I'm out of here.
The man them, the American them said, Zine, every time them run an investigation, Zine, the end result lead up to a politician. That means that the politicians are the root of criminal activities in Jamaica. I mean, I said that without apology. Nobody in the government not feel like me. Them can't hate me. Everything will come out of my mouth already can't go back. So all if them kill me when me I say no done, gone through already. Okay? The ambassador of the United States of America to Jamaica said every investigation them run and them track gun and then sitting there and drugs and then sitting there, it always lead up to a politician. You understand? You understand? So, based on that, what I am saying, based on what the ambassador said, basically, he must say, politicians are the root of all crime. We have got through the border them from foreign to Jamaica. Politicians them are the root. Right? So, would like hear what Brogan have to say about that. Same like when come out boldly and say a dancer in blame for crime. When dancer now walk a issue gun. You can't ever send a bike through wharf without them taxi down and dig it down and run through everything. So, bonus. A long time we have said this in a better. All the gun them reach ya. Everybody want to reach to the lyrics in the song. Everybody want to reach to how vicious the man them a kill the people them. Everybody want to argue about how much gun the man them have. Argue the original point. How them get it. How it reach ya. All the gun them reach ya. All them come through the port and the wharf and the sitting them. And all them reach in the ghetto them in the youth them and without police intercept them and nothing at all. What you mean by bro God go to a bad school and not try to fix it? All politicians, and I say this without apology now, all politicians some way, shape or form support crime. Try remember that. None of them not innocent. So you come talk about get a bad school and not try to fix it. The whole of them involved. And out of enough to come blame dancer. Very out of hard. Like dancer lyrics bring gun through airport. Dancer lyrics not bring no gun through airport. Gun them there already. Gun them done there already. I mean have a video with Mr. Farrakhan for post where the man do for about 1992 where the man has said the CIA and DEA go up on a mission and cast beer right at Jamaica just to kill Michael Manley. And I say so. Louis Farrakhan says so. And said 3 attempts to them shot Bob Marley. See the same thing. I want to hear. Or if you said the same thing about dancehall artists. Which dancehall artists you see I carry gun through the airport? I wish, hey, I don't want to cuss nobody the way. Who you tell that? Politicians are the first line of crucifixion where we get crucified for crime in Jamaica. And them start bringing gun boy and give poor people. Ask your question what you want to ask. Island in the Sun 876. Alright. If people even have sent gun through the port now, a politician start that. Remember one time nobody now send no gun through the airport. But because the streets are flooded and the gunman them rampant because them dominant, because them alone have gun. If a man make money, he go try buy some gun for him, protect him family, them too. And them think them want, you know. So I feed them style, the man them a follow. A politician style, the man them a follow. And I send in gun. Yeah, trade. No joke thing. I where man pick up that style from them. It's a pattern where the man them a follow. And the man them work at the wharf and the port, them used to forget them check from politician. So when politician now sending up them take them check from the next civilian, then we have to spend the money. But the channel done set up already for things coming illegal, so the man them just a use it and not eat food. You understand? The man them just a follow and a eat food. So it's a trend. How you think we can stop crime in Jamaica?
All right, Foota Hype, big up your damn self. You see, people? I don't have to talk anymore. You know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, share. This is Daddy Reds. I'm the reggae ambassador, and I will always cause a musical massacre. Dread out for now. This is Talking